Y'all, I was talking about in an earlier video about school is now out officially as of tomorrow. It's going to be a long, hot summer for all you parents of young children and a lot of you grandparents of younger children. So this recipe is for those folks that need a treat for their children or their grandchildren that is more on the healthy side. So we've got 2 cups of sliced strawberries. We've got 1/3 of a cup of sugar. And we're going to let this sit. We're going to stir it up real good. And we're going to let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes until the granulated sugar starts dissolving and pulling that strawberry juice out of that fruit. And we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then this is going into our blender or food processor, whichever you choose to use, along with 1 cup of Greek yogurt. And we're going to just puree it, and then we're going to transfer it to our little popsicle containers that, fit in your freezer. All right, so we're going to let that sit just a minute. Y'all see that juice? It hadn't been 5 minutes. And look at the juice that sugar has pulled out of those beautiful God-given strawberries. All right, so I'm going to pour this into our blender. And I'm going to make sure I get all that sugar that didn't quite dissolve in that short length of time, because we did not do it the whole 15 to 20 minutes. I want to get it all out. And now we're going to add 1 cup of Greek yogurt. So this is why I was telling y'all that it's a little healthier treat than so many of them out there. And this will make 6 popsicles. Look here, John, what I'm making. I'm making popsicles for y'all. Strawberry popsicles.
It's funny that it's popsicles and it's an ice cream cone.
Yes. All right, so let's see. This is a brand new blender. I'm still trying to get used to it. These remind me of, the popsicle that looks like a rocket machine.
Mm-hmm.
That kind of reminds me of that ice cream bar. So now we're just gonna fill. Oops. Careful, Paula. Careful. We're just gonna fill that up.
It looks like a strawberry smoothie.
It does. I don't know if I got too much or not. Oh gosh, that's good. That is so good. So this will take about 4 to 6 hours before you can have one.
Okay. I might spend the night tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Not tonight. Yeah, you got your last day of school tomorrow. You need to go on your last day, right? Mm-hmm. John injured his leg, his thigh. It's more like your thigh, isn't it? Mm-hmm. And his mother took him to the doctor. And what did the doctor say?
She said to do these stretches.
To do stretches, yeah. You really overdid something.
Yeah, it was a trampoline. It was an overuse injury.
Uh-huh.
Like I jumped too
And
much.
you just kept going, even while it was hurting.
Oh no. I just kept on going. I didn't know that it was hurt or anything because I didn't feel it.
Oh, you didn't feel it right when it happened?
No. Well, I was walking through the living room, and then it just hurt.
I can't believe it's taken so long.
It's taken like 3 or 4 months.
I know. All right, now, John, like I said, these go in the freezer. And you could, if you're not wild about strawberries, you could do blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, banana. Yeah, you could change your fruit around. But I think the strawberry is a unanimously favorite fruit. So these are going to go in the freezer. And Miss Teresa made some earlier, so you don't have to wait for a popsicle.
We were teasing. Yeah, my friend Paula likes popsicles a lot. I mean, not popsicles, strawberries.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. All right, now let's see. I'm probably going to have to run this under a little warm water to get it out, or maybe the warmth from my hands. Just real quick. We'll try again. Mmm. It is perfect. You weren't expecting it, were you? So what's a verdict? Yes. Kid approved. Healthy popsicle. Happy summer. Yes, it's healthy, but we don't have to tell anybody that. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Love and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.